Hey guys, guess what I'm doing? Go, go, go. My husband's behind me. I don't know if you saw him or not, but it's pretty. It's fall. Taking a little break. Beautiful.
We have one of those too. Helmet on. You of all people.
It's only been a little over a mile, but my husband's back the way it is. It's pretty much of a miracle, right? How do you feel? Achy.
Fucking old.
Yeah. Maybe that therapy will help. I don't know. Anyway, stop to take in the beauty that is Michigan fall on the Rogue River. This river actually looks decent here. In most places it looks really gross, but alright. Guys, my new helmet. You like?
Look at that. It's as bright as a light bulb.
Yeah, buddy. Hey guys, my ride is done. It was a short ride, 3.26 miles, about 30 minutes. And I'm at another park waiting for my husband. He turned around at our last stop and went back because his back is just really sore. So kudos for him even trying. I wasn't expecting that, so I'm very proud of him. And I'm very happy that he came with me what he could. So this is Trestle Park. There's a trestle there. The river, more of the river. This is probably creek back in there. Anyway, feeling good for the most part. My knees hurt, but I got my sweat on.